The boy who cried wolf. Once upon a time, there was a boy who was assigned to watch over a flock of sheep. Feeling bored and wanting some excitement, the boy decided to play a trick on the villagers. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking my sheep." The villagers heard his cries and came running to his aid, but when they arrived, they found no wolf. The boy thought it was funny to see the villagers running around, so he repeated the prank several times. Each time he cried wolf, the villagers rushed to help him, only to find that there was no wolf. One day, a real wolf appeared and attacked the flock of sheep. The boy cried out for help, but the villagers thought it was just another prank and ignored him. As a result, the wolf managed to kill several of the sheep before the boy could chase it away. The moral of the story is that if you repeatedly lie, people may not believe you even when you're telling the truth. The story teaches children about the importance of honesty and the consequences of lying. It also highlights the need to be responsible and reliable when given a task to complete.